Gonna take a minute to look at some low light capability of a new camera down by the pool. This is just right out of the camera, not doing anything in post at all. Those are the colors. That's exposure. That is a little bit of a digital pull. I cheated there. This camera's advertised as having low light capabilities, so I drive down to Depot Town. So the fender of my car there, suction cupped to the car. The audio is horrible, but these pictures are extraordinary. This is out of the camera. Haven't corrected the exposure in post. Nothing. Big things like buildings are in great focus. And I don't know if I can stop this. That would be a good experiment if I could stop. I think if I stop the playhead, we'd lose the ability to record audio. But freeze frames are great. If there's a person walking, their legs can be blurred, but the buildings are all superb. I wanted to pull over and wipe off the lens, and I just found this when I got home. Look at how clear that is. Recycling. Look at how blue, saturated. Okay, there's a co-op, and we're on River Street going north. Other side of the tracks is the Auto Museum and a Thompson block. Getting pretty dark here now. And I'm just really impressed. Whoever's making the police's body cameras should lose that contract to this company. Look at these pictures. Okay, there's going by Aubrey's again. Look at the moon over the road along the left side of the frame there. That's just nuts. I'd say it's 9 o'clock here. Coming up to the water tower. It's across the street up by campus. Heading west now. Those of you who don't know my town, that big thing on the left side of the road is a water tower that looks like a big phallic dingus. It's really old and it's a perplexing structure. It's really interesting and it's a landmark here. We like it. Gonna whip around and come back downtown. This is Michigan Avenue. That's our library there on the right and people walking by. It's dark now. Downtown is not this well lit, so the camera is working this for us. By the tap room, gonna go by Hike's Decorated Apparel, the Terry Bakery. I'm heading for home. I wanna see how this looks without all this light. Now I can see the pictures from the camera on my phone mounted on the dashboard of the car. I'm absolutely piloting the car first and just checking the phone for the pictures and not the other way around. Doesn't do me any good to have a camera out there and scrape it off someone's fender. Turn the lights off in my neighborhood, so now it is pitch dark. There's the moon again. Just disappear behind that tree. Being careful. Over a speed bump. Look at the stabilization. I just went over a speed bump. So this thing's like a car-mounted Steadicam. So this is interesting. And one thing about cameras that do stuff that you're not normally challenged with is it gives you ideas. It inspires you. So see what I can get out of this camera. But I'm liking it so far.